Hey y'all, welcome back. Okay, so today is laundry day. So I've been out of town, in and out of town on trips. My birthday just passed, so I have a lot of clothes to wash. And I hate when I allow it to get like this. Like, what the fuck? So today I'm gonna show y'all how I wash my clothes right now while living full time in my RV. So come with me. Let's go. I'm glad I looked under my sink because I got some stuff I can use. Okay, I think I got everything dirty. Slide out of here. Take me some water because baby, I be thirsty. I'm gonna catch y'all at the laundromat. Come on, y'all. Alright, y'all. Let's slide out. We got all the house though. So we about to go over there and make sure it's still on the porch. I'm gonna go grab it really quick. So they talking about that it's some deals at Walgreens for washing powder, like $188. I see that 4 for $10, 1 for $3. So let's find out, because if it's a sale going on, we need to know about it. So let's go. Okay, let me hurry up because this is motherfucking, this some real procrastinating. But I'm trying to see what's on sale. So that's not the sale I'm looking for. They said pies was on sale. Y'all see this? Oh, this is the sale. See, these ones is $1.88. But I don't use that cheap shit. That's some cheap shit. Okay, let me go. We about to try to wash at least 2 loads. Cause I don't know. And go. I ain't gonna do too much recording in there though, just for people's privacy. Nobody wanna get seen at the laundromat yet. But it's cold though. God. That's why I be in the anyway. That's gross. That's gross. Y'all, so we're about to do Amazon unboxing videos. It's just some stuff I bought for the winter time. So let's see how it works. I bought a few things and let me show y'all. The first thing I bought was this. This is a new heater. The, what is it? Drio heater. So it's an electronic heater. Like I can monitor it from my phone. So anytime I'm out of town, I can turn my heat up, turn it down. And it said it works really good. So I spent a lot of money on it. So it better work really good. Nah. I'm going to give y'all prices at the end. We're going to see what this is. I like how they packages just open though. It's like that good tape to tape. So you stick your finger in there. This is teeny. I expected to be this. So I bought a dehumidifier. Mind y'all, I've been in here without a dehumidifier the whole time. I've been using these like air dryers or whatever. Those damp rigs. And these probably, this one's done. I've been using these. So this, I know that ain't doing the job. So I bought one of these. And then I bought a thing to cover the door. So it can close out some of that drafting from the door. So we're going to put all this stuff up and I'm going to show you all the final products and give you all the prices as well too. So Okay, y'all. We got our laundry finished. Fine. Fold it, put it up. Let's get into it. And if y'all think, or folding them and putting them up, like which one do y'all hate the most out of the wash and fold cycle? Let me know in the comments. Because I think I hate to put them up. So, we got this first load. Back here, yo. Okay. All these clothes, I kind of like pre-folded them there a little bit. Sorry. Some shorts, shirts, hats. So as y'all know, we got extra storage underneath the beds, and I'll keep my summer clothes up underneath there. Okay, and we just saving that stuff for the summer. Okay, and I usually keep my 2-piece sets up here in my storage bin. Yeah, so I put these storage bins up in my storage thing up here, so I can put all that stuff up in there. And the more stuff I get, I put it in here. So I'll toss that stuff in there. That stuff. And then that's where I keep some of my clothes. I also use these too, but these are my folded clothes. As you can see, I'm gonna take y'all over here. I put them in that tote underneath, just utilizing as much space as I can. But for my other clothes, I keep them up here, and I keep my out of season clothes inside of my underneath my bed. Same with in here. Well, I can open that, but it's the same thing. It just don't got no hanger, so I keep like pants and stuff in there. So ain't nothing in there because breaking stuff. So as y'all can see, we got to get that back organized. I need some shelves in here. That's like next thing I need to do because I just be putting stuff in there. Oh, world out here. It's so cold. Okay, y'all, so we are done putting away the clothes. We're done, and we're about to go to bed. We are up under our warm heated blanket. 3 blankets, actually. Okay, and we got the warm heated one turned all the way up. Okay, so I see y'all next time. Make sure if you like videos like this, and you know somebody that like videos like this, make sure you like, tag, and comment the person who loves videos like this too. And then make sure y'all subscribe and follow me. Alright, until next time, I see y'all later. Bye.